FAQ 3B. How do I handle reactions of other employees? Shanti Raghavan, founder Enable India, in conversation with Abhijit, director Fiberlink.
Sometimes managers, especially in small companies, they get really worried about performance feedback.
Right.
Right? How have you handled that?
That's a good question. So basically, I can talk about it with two examples.
Okay.
So we had hired we have a hearing impaired person, right? Very good worker. One of the challenges he has, obviously, is teamwork and communication. His individual contribution is excellent, right? So one of the ways we handled it with this example is we looked at the output he delivers. So if he's testing something, testing a software, what we do is the kind of bugs filed, the number of bugs filed, etc. Right?
Yeah, perfect.
But he may not do as well in communicating with the team, right?
Yeah.
Though
he has
means
a
it.
challenge in communication
Exactly.
anyway.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So that's not something we'll ding him on, basically, right? Because it's not fair.
Yeah.
But what we will definitely look at is what he's delivering equal to the other employees, right? And we explain that to him, and we have been doing his reviews similarly.
But you've been open about it.
Absolutely.
That's the important thing.
Absolutely.
I think that's what I'm seeing from what you're saying.
Absolutely.
Perfect.
Another example I can give you is a physically challenged person, and this was his first job.
Yeah.
And he had computer degree. He had never worked in an organization, and introvert basically, right?
Yeah.
And he came in, and his communication was good, but he just didn't speak much, right?
Yeah.
And what was happening was that he used to work on something, and he used to try to solve the same problem, try to figure it out without trying to go and ask for help.
I
'Cause
see
he was
this
an
all the
introvert.
time with this. Many freshers do that also.
Yeah,
I think. Yeah. Oh
it's
God.
no different than somebody coming in. So there is no reason why to look at him any differently.
Yeah.
So what we had to do was help him get beyond that fear.
Yeah.
That what will happen if I'm wrong? What will happen if I communicate? What will happen if I discuss and
I
debate?
think this is normal mentoring that we need to do for everybody.
Absolutely,
actually.
absolutely. And that's what we realized, that there's nothing special here. I mean, we would have another person from a normal, non-disabled person, and we would have the same problem.
Yeah.
And I can tell you that in 6 months, it's been 7 months now since he has joined, and he's the person who debates the most now, right? So we're very happy about that.
Yeah. So I think that means you brought. So that means any small company, they should give the feedback.
Yes.
You're adapting. Actually, we do that, right? If how you behave according to that, I will adapt the way I give the feedback. And also, as you said, rate them on what can be. I mean, you have not rated that hearing impaired so much on his communication,
Right.
as much as everything
Somebody
else, right?
One thing I can also add to this is it's very important that you tell them what you're doing.
Yeah.
Because one of the things is, just because he is disabled doesn't mean that you have to do something without feeling that, oh, how will he feel?
Yeah.
That will he feel that they're doing this because I'm disabled?
Yeah.
It's actually the other way around.
Yeah.
They would like to know how they're rated. They would like to know if they're not doing something good.
This is a myth that
Yeah.
means that people are thinking that I should not give feedback.
Yes.
There might be one or two people who are
Yes.
sensitive, but that is true for everybody else. I mean, there are
And
some
in
people
fact,
who don't.
hard feedback is also okay.
Yeah.
I mean, we have actually done that with somebody. We have given them hard feedback because we know that this person can do better.
Yeah.
And he has improved. And in fact, we had not done that. Oh, how will he feel?
Yeah.
We would not have a good employee.
Correct.
Right? So
Very
I
true.
would say that do it equally. Be sensitive to some of the things
Yeah.
which they may need help on. That's about
And I
it.
think we should do that for everybody.
Everybody.
Yeah. And I think in small companies, if people really do this sincerely with everybody, those people will never leave the company. And I
Yeah.
think that's such a critical element for a small company.
No doubt about
So
it.
that's it.
No doubt
I
about
think that's the answer.
Yeah.